Greetings and welcome back to The Pride. My name is Muphasa El Matador. They call me the Curious Cat. My job is pretty simple. I help you catch the momentum, and today we're looking at Uber. Yeah, man, we did it again. If you are in the market chasing that momentum, smash that like and subscribe button, because out here in The Pride, we're super consistent at chasing these bangers. The Momentum series is geared towards all of my day traders and swing traders, and we are at our fourth home run for the week. That's 4 in 4 days. We usually average one every week for the last 2 years. And this week has been super wild. So we kick it off with the catalyst. We're looking at Uber Technologies, ticker symbol UBER, and the catalyst for Uber was strong earnings that came out. They had losses. I'll show you that right here. So Uber reports another big loss, but beats on revenue, and the shares popped up 19%. So everything was going really well when I looked at the news. Uber attracts record number of drivers as cost of living bites. Uber sees positive cash flow for the first time ever. All of this went literally in the last 2 days, and I looked at that and I thought, yeah, I played an iron condor. And that's how I actually got into this. My call printed the home run, and I still have puts that are going to $28. Today, Lyft came out and posted record earnings. So Uber was running on sympathy of that as well. So it has been really big. If you look at the 5-day chart, you see it went from trading at $23, $24, and now we're at $32. We had 19% yesterday, another 5% today. Super bullish all around. And yeah, that was it. With that said, that's the catalyst. Stick with me so we can check out the technicals, and I'll show you guys how we got into this in the Pride. If you are interested in long-term plays, we are investors as well, and you can catch all of our due diligence in the link above. With that said, catalyst. If you like content like this, smash that like and subscribe button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you would like to come join the Pride, all you have to do is click the link right here. Simba is my smallest portfolio, and I'm pushing that publicly to show people that small money grows. I started this with $200, and the goal is to hit 100K trading every single day. If you would like to join us, we would love to have you. We do the simple things consistently. We have rules that we always follow, and we're an awesome family. With that said, I'm going to show you guys how we played Uber. Right, so that is and essentially what happens is we're a bunch of traders, analysts, investors, the whole 9 yards, and we get together and share what we think is going to happen in the market and how we want to play whatever is popping, right? So I saw this yesterday that Uber got a lot of positive news. I saw that it even got an upgrade, I believe. And so I posted my chart with my levels, and I was going to play an iron condor yesterday. I see calls to $32 and puts to $28. So that's what I did. I bought calls on the $32 strike expiring next week on Uber, and it just started popping up. I was up 10, 20%. And anybody who's been here long enough knows that once I have a 20 to 30% run, I take majority of my position out and I leave 1 or 2 contracts to go to the home run so that my emotions are completely out of it and I could just watch the money pile up. So I secured the bag and I left the house's money to run, and I took profits and increased my position on Walmart. Walmart is a long play for us and is completely bearish right now. So when they panic, we pounce. So I had made this video from yesterday, and today I woke up and I really wanted Uber to be my next video. They say reality bends to the will of those who know what they want and pursue it relentlessly, and I don't give up. I continue to push. I think that was one of our words of the day. So that was that. We made money on SoFi, and today Uber just started printing 53%. I also played Ride, but I hit 96% on Ride, so I'm not making a video on that. But I could taste the home run, and I keep posting this in the Pride so people can chase it with me, get in, and it stalled for a while. And yeah, I had 94% on Ride. They had a good catalyst that came out today. And the crazy thing about Ride was it hadn't popped above 360 for the whole year. And today it tried, but it couldn't make it. And by breakfast time, I had another home run in Uber, and that's why I'm making this video. That's 4 in the last 4 days. The market is at the pivotal point where if we have inflation numbers come in next week, Wednesday, and they are higher than expected, the Bears might win. But it is at that point where it's Bulls versus Bears, and the scales might be tilted to anyone's favor. But if you know anything about money, you know that all news is good news. Once you know how to make money, all news is good news. So I currently am killing it. 4 home runs in the last 4 days, and that's what we did. We got in and we got out, took 100% profits it made, and I'll show you guys everything else in the technicals. If you like content like this and you want to see how we play it, join the Pride, be part of the game, all you have to do is follow us on Instagram and come join the team, and we can eat together. With that said, let's check out the technicals. As always, we're going to wrap up the video with technicals, and technicals is like art to me. I really, really love this. It tells an amazing story. So the first thing is I'm going to show you guys support. This was the pandemic crash, and support is $20 for Uber. If you want to buy Uber, I believe the absolute cheapest price is $20, right? So far, trend is your friend until it bends, and the trend shows that $20 buyers come in. It could fall below that, but that is really a good price to go long. Now, from the pandemic, it went from $20 all the way to $60. I believe this was a pandemic momentum play because that is crazy. But since then, you can see the bearish momentum trade into this like channel all the way down. I have my red line for resistance, green line for support. Now, every time the candles come to support, you can see buyers come in, try to recover that momentum, but the bears pushes back. Once it gets to support, the bulls come in, and look at this candle right here. This big green candle. This is the trend that I saw that got me really excited. Remember, this is a weekly chart. So you see this big candle, and the bulls try to push us higher, but the bears send us back to this channel. And if you calculate how many weeks this is 2021. It was about a month and a half, but we came right back to my support. Then you have 2 big green candles trying to push us back. Bears send us right back to my support. And that has continued. This is the trend that we're on. The bulls tried to send us out. This is an ice line where resistance and support are on the same line, and they push us up, and the bears completely send us back. So it's continued that trend all the way down, and that's a falling knife, if you ask me. However, I liked seeing it at support of $20 and rising from that with a bullish catalyst. Those 2 things together told me, yeah, man, you should be playing this one. So with that, I'm going to show you the daily chart so you can see the method behind the madness, right? So sweet. Now we're looking at the daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day, and I'm going to really flesh this out so that you can see what I saw. On the weekly chart, the RSI isn't overbought. It shows that we can still go up. But on the daily chart, you can see this went from trading in this channel between 20 and 25 to breaking completely free of that channel after earnings. We're now at an RSI of, what is this? About 80. Anything above 70, definitely not the good time to be buying. This is cowboy trading from these guys, but the momentum is there, right? So that's why I played my Iron Condor. I'm playing calls to 32 because I know that I have an ice line at 32.95. So I was safe if I played my call to $32. I hit the home run, picked up 100%. I actually sold out too early because I could have made way more money, but I took my money and I'm out. Now I have my puts to $28, which is the ice line. You can see it serves as support here, falls back to ice, and then it takes off, comes back here, breaks below ice, and the bears completely ravage that thing, right? So I'm expecting this thing to hit 32.95 on a bullish momentum, ride it all the way crazy, cowboy traders, yeah. But then I expect the bears to do their thing and pushes back to 28. So I'm going to be holding that over the next week and a half to see if I'm right. If I'm right, I should be printing massive on that put. And that's literally how I played this, right? So I hope I've been able to edutain you and show you guys why I do what I do. If you like content like this, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. If you would like to see content like this, you should hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to join us to see how we do our thing, to join our family, our community, to eat with us, to make money with us, we have 4 home runs in the last 4 days. All you have to do is click the link at the bottom of this video and come join the family. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Is Muphasa El Matador. Peace.